The computer you're using is classical. It stores information as bits, 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits. A qubit can be 0, 1 or both. They also leverage entanglement. Quantum computing promises unprecedented potential. Quantum mechanics governs the microscopic world. It's full of counterintuitive phenomena. Superposition allows particles to be in multiple states at once. Entanglement links particles across distances. These principles power quantum computers, opening doors to solving humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine designing life-saving drugs with atomic precision. Quantum computing promises revolutionary advancements in medicine and materials science. Quantum computing is in its early stages. Building these machines and maintaining qubit stability are major challenges. Qubits are error-prone, making error correction essential. Yet, the future of quantum computing is bright.